Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So, as you know that we are solving the coder army sheet. Today we'll be solving the fifth question of the hashing problems. Okay, so the question is diff k2. So let us first read the problem. Given an array A of integers and another non-negative integer B, find if there exist two indices I and j such that A of I minus A of j equal to B and I is not equal to j. Okay, so this is a very important condition. I is not equal to j. So basically, what the problem states that you have been given an array of integers and a target variable. What you have to do is you have to tell if there exist two integers inside our array such that both of its indexes are different. Also, both of its difference is equal to the target. Okay, so I hope you're clear with the question. So as this is we are solving hashing problem, so we'll be solving it through map. This question can also be solved using two pointers. So I'll just be explaining the map part. Okay. So I hope you know basic maths that a plus b, if a plus b is equal to any target value, then can you derive a with this equation? Yes, that is target minus b will be equal to a, or b can be derived as target minus a. Sorry, and a can be derived as target minus b, right? So similarly, in this particular question, we have been given that a of I minus a of j is equal to b, right? So, can I say that A of I can be derived as B if negative sign goes to the right hand side, it gets to plus. I hope I don't have to teach you the basic maths, but still see. So, A of J can also be derived. If A of J is derived, we'll get A of I minus B. Okay. So, particularly, can I write this particular equation as this, like a of I plus minus of a of j is equal to b, right? So you can use the same concept again which is being told here and get the values. So how will you use map in this is that you can store all the frequency of each and every element inside the map, and we'll iterate through the map. While iterating only we can dynamically change the map, and at every step there can be two possibilities. See, we don't know both a and b, right? None of the two numbers are known, we only know the target value, so we'll be checking these two conditions, both the values. This is also possible and this is also possible, right? Because we don't know a and b, we only know the target. So we'll be checking for both the values. If any of the value for any array of I, for any array of I, if any of the value is present inside a map, what we can do is we can say that there is an answer that exists. Okay, so I hope you're clear with the intuition. I'll just be quickly showing you the code. So this is the code. Okay, so we took an unordered map. All right, and at every step, I can see that there are two possible values, either a of I minus b or a of I plus b. We saw it earlier. Okay, you can just derive it through the equation, but the main concept is this same thing: a plus b equal to target. Okay, so we are deriving both the values a and b values, and we'll just quickly find out if this particular value is present inside our map, and also if that value's index is not equal to the current value. Okay, because I and j indexes should be different. If any of the two condition is true, then we'll return true, or else we can just store the current element with map to its particular index to it, and will return false. I'm sorry, we have to use, like, we have to store not the frequency but the index. Okay, the index will have to be stored. I hope you're clear with the question and also the code. Thank you.